Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make this soft, fluffy and absolutely delicious bread rolls right at your home. These rolls are buttery, slightly sweet and perfect for any occasion. So let's dive right in. All right, so we'll begin by pouring 2 cups of warm milk into my mixing bowl. Add in a teaspoon of sugar, 1 egg, and active dry yeast. Okay, we'll give it a good mix and let it sit for about 10 minutes until it becomes foamy, which means that the yeast is activated and ready to work its magic. Now I'm going to go ahead to pour in 3 cups of flour into the same bowl and mix everything together. And guys, make sure you don't forget your sugar. I almost forgot it. So I'm adding in 1/3 cup of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, then continue to mix everything together, which is going to enhance the flavor. We'll slowly add in warm water until the dough comes together. Now I'm going to transfer the dough onto my work surface. Okay, I'll add a little oil. I'm using butter, okay, to prevent sticking, then start to knead. This process takes about 15 minutes. What I'll do next is to add in my soft butter and continue to knead. If you're using your hand, yes, it's going to get messy, but just sprinkle a little flour to help bring everything together. And a quick tip, if the dough tears easily, it's not kneaded enough, so you keep kneading until the dough is smooth and elastic. Okay, so once everything is well kneaded, I'm going to grease a bowl with my butter, okay? Because I love the buttery taste that it gives the bread. So I'm going to go ahead to place the dough inside, cover it with a plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. Then let it sit in a warm place for an hour until it doubles in size. Once the dough doubles in size, we'll gently punch out the gas out, then cut them into 12 equal pieces, okay? We'll shape each pieces into a round dinner roll. Once I'm done, I'm going to cover them again and let it rise for 40 minutes until they double in size. Now, before I'm going to bake, I'll go ahead to prepare my egg wash by mixing together 1 egg and a tablespoon of milk, okay? I'll brush the top of the rolls for that golden glossy finish. Then pop them into the oven and bake it for 30 to 40 minutes or until they turn beautifully golden brown. 40 minutes later, our bread is ready. We'll brush them with a little butter for extra shine and flavor. And there you have it, guys. Your soft, fluffy bread rolls are ready. It's so delicious, super soft, and trust me, you're going to love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment for more delicious homemade recipes. Until next time, please stay blessed and happy. Bye, guys.